quite early dito sa fourth period. Babanggitin natin ito si Jamir Watkins. He too in foul trouble with 4 personal fouls. Well, Pure Foods did a great job of getting back in the ball game, trimming the deficit to just 1 point. That's 1 point. But, you know, Magnolia getting big shots from big-time players to keep Pure Foods at a safe distance.
So they were at that zone, and usually when you have that zone, it's the wing guys that are going to kill you. Dondon Ontiveros, Tito Gade, both of them really quelling that uprising mula sa Pure Foods.
Yes, Simon. Oh, what a shot! Peter John Simon is quite a sight when it comes to open court situations. He has 7 points off the bench.
All of those 7 points coming, Nico, in this second half, wherein Pure Foods really making a serious run.
Here's Ontiveros, and Togade will get the look.
We did mention these two guys have been the main guys ever since that end of the third quarter. Dito sa fourth quarter pa rin, silang dalawa pa rin nagtutulungan para sa Magnolia.
Here's Rice. Rice has 36 points tonight. Simon against Togade. Simon connects. 4 and 3 for Peter Jun Simon. He's in double figures with 10.
Remember the last game that Peter Jun Simon played was Game 7. And in that game, he was probably destined to be best player of that ball game because he was superb in Game 7 of the finals.
Here's Togade. Daddy eye. I mean, that's just bread and butter. Sa Magnolia.
Para sa Pure Foods, nakikita natin, usually there's one key guy that is attacking in their offense. Para sa Magnolia, spread out. That time around, it was Danny I's turn.
There's an easy putback for Kirby Raimundo. Not a usual night for Kirby with only 4 points. Nonetheless, it's just a 3-point lead for Magnolia, 86-83. Here's Togade. With over 9 minutes to go in the fourth and final quarter. Racela with a pull-up off the glass, and he rattles in.
Mentioned balance scoring para sa Magnolia. With that basket mula kay Olsen Racela, each and every player fielded in by Coach Chuck Tankinsen has contributed offensively.
Eight to shoot for Pure Foods. Here's Rice, hounded by Daniel DeForcio. Rice forces it up, and Ontiveros gets the rebound. Racela, and Daria is all alone for 2.
He was all alone because Darius Rice is upset that he didn't get a call dun tumira siya mula sa 3-point region, but no time to complain. You've got to go down and make sure your man doesn't score on a fast break.
It looks like yung pinakita niya ng Philippine Cup, he will be able to more or less continue that because he still has the same role. The guy who will provide offense first off the bench.
He is their number 1 bench scoring option, and he really carries the bench of Pure Foods all the way to the final, especially scoring-wise. And lalo na ngayon, Nico, they really need an energy guy dahil nawala si Mark Tingris. And siya na yung number 1 energy guy ngayon para sa Pure Foods.
Here's Laneta with 8 to shoot. That's an offensive foul against Kirby Raimundo. Fourth personal against Raimundo. A little over 8 minutes remaining in the ball game. Magnolia lamang pa rin, 19-23. Marcela, Ildefonso, Tugade, Watkins, and Ontiveros. Here's Tugade to Racela. Racela, right away, arrows out. Villanueva now with 10 rebounds for his new team. Here's Lanete. And Villanueva, 15 to shoot. Rice, fires. So, kapos na yung mga tira nitong si Darius Rice. Maybe a little tuckered out.
Remember that interview na pinakita natin in the first half, sabi niya, one of the things that he has to learn or master is yung kanyang conditioning dahil hindi pa daw siya kondisyon para sa liga natin. So, we're in the fourth quarter and he's put up a lot of shots at nakakapagod rin ha, pag tumira ka ng ganun karami ha.
Speak for yourself.
A total of 29 attempts para dito kay Darius Wright.
And Lete will sit down. Veteran Roger Yap checks back in the ball game to try and push Pure Foods back in the ball game. Tugade, hounded by Raimundo. 8 to shoot for Magnolia. Here's Daniel Defonso. He connects.
Magnolia still doing what they've been doing the entire game, spreading the wealth, passing the ball around, finding good looks para sa mga players nila on the floor.
Here's Rice and Villanueva. Slams it off despite the presence of Jamil Watkins. Here's Watkins. Double team. 7 points. Yan ang lamang ng Magnolia. Pure Foods trying to battle back. Here's Rice, and that's a foul by Tugade.
A good foul. Good foul on the part of Lloydie Tugade. Only the second team foul. Fast break situation. 2-on-2 situation, yes.
So here's Raimundo. And he will score it.
Game of Kirby Raimundo slowly getting his game in para dito sa Pure Foods. All those 6 points para kay Kirby nanggaling sa second half.
Watkins and the Beverage Masters still on top, and here's the import showdown.
Darius Rice, he has a reputation to be a scorer and living up to his reputation already with 36 points. Para naman kay Jamil Watkins, a lot of minutes spent on the bench because of personal fouls. Pero kaya pang all that can change in terms of scoring if he can just put in a bunch of points together dito sa fourth quarter.
Villanueva now with 11 rebounds tonight, halfway through the fourth and final quarter. Here's Raimundo with a spin. Hasn't had enough luck with this shooting touch. And Calagio backs out, no go. Here's Rogeria over to Rice, and Rice break three. In and out, Raimundo will score. When he had Olsen Marcel in front of him. Kaya tatlo na lang ang kabante ng Magnolia.
Fast break situation para kay Darius Rice. Kung coach ka, hindi ka na magagalit kasi tumira siya sa 3-point region because seemingly those 3-point shots is really where he makes his money.
Kirby Raimundo so far with 8 points in the ballgame. Meantime, here's Watkins. Cross court, Cortez, and now here's Calagio. Calagio on the move, blocked by Villanueva. Watkins is fouled, and he will take two. Fifth personal laban kay Raimundo. Still have 5 minutes remaining in the ballgame.
Of course, para sa Magnolia, gumraduate na si Dorian Peña. For Magnolia, the lineup that they have right now is what they started with. So after tinkering around with that lineup, kung saan yung bench team nila really had a good showing, Coach Shot Tankinsen going back to their starting five, which I think really gave them a lot of balance in the start of the first quarter and also of the third quarter.
Back to a 5-point lead for Magnolia, 94-89. Here's Rice, hounded by Pingris. Rice to James Yap. Cortez getting the rebound and gets the ball back. Here's Cortez zigzagging down for Danny Siegel, is fouled. Third personal laban kay Roger Yap at yan ang pangatlo laban sa Pure Foods, sending Danny Siegel to the line.